So what's going to happen is, first of all, when we switch the machine on, you'll see a light in here, right? So the whole machine does a diagnosis run. As soon as it is green, the machine is ready to use, right? So we switch it on. It's red, as you can see, right? And now, we go now. Push the button, push again. Now, as you can see, the height goes down. You'll hear dock. And now it comes back into an initial position. You see? It goes up again. That's it.
And you never lose the cut in terms of dimension?
No.
You just restart?
So there is no, as you saw, there is no damage to the saw blade, not to the machine, not to the workpiece itself, right? So even if you have delicate workpieces, delicate panels, and it triggers, all that happens, it just goes down. Yeah?
Nice.
Worst case scenario is you have a shock. And they, oh, okay.
Yeah, this doesn't sound as bad as the saw stop. The saw stop is like having a shotgun next to you for getting fired.
Sure.
Because it works on a charge. So basically it fires a charge.
So the same is true also if you do, for example, mitered cuts. So that was just a straight cut now.
So it does it on miter as well?
As well. So let's do 15 degrees. We'll do the same again.
It'll do it at the max of 45 as well.
Right. Yeah, we can do it at 45 if you like. So let's go to 45.
And will it do it also on the thick, what do you call them, the dado blades? You know, the thick blades?
Well, the thing is you will need teeth, right? The teeth acts as a sensor itself. Of course, it's preliminarily developed for saw blades itself, right? So dadoing is another topic.
Okay.
So 45 degrees in this case. Let's do it again. We'll switch the machine on. It does the test run, self-diagnosis. Same again. You press reset, press the blue button, and
basically it's like a nick, a small nick if you ever touch it by hand.
This of course is worst case scenario with human flesh, right? With metal, for example, it needs this tiny little touch. So this happens when you go super fast.
For conductivity.
Right, yeah. With human flesh, as I said, it is already monitoring the system. So it sees, for example, if you're approaching like that, it knows, okay, somebody's doing a fine cut. If you approach like this, it is going to trigger at a greater distance to make sure you don't run into the saw blade with your hand.
Okay, so the detection starts from a distance. So if it moves, if it feels the velocity is too fast, it'll... Okay.